Kumusta mga katami? Tayo na't magluto ng ginataang tulingan. This time we're going to cook tuna mackerel or skipjack tuna in coconut milk or ginataang tulingan in Filipino word. To get updated with my videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for notification of my new uploaded videos. All the ingredients are listed down at the description box. We will start by arranging all the ingredients. I started to arrange tomatoes, and next I'm putting the onions. Take note that I'm arranging the ingredients without cooking yet. I'm putting the sliced ginger. Next is I will be adding green chili. And then I will add the fish or the tuna, tulingan in Tagalog. This dish is actually good for around 2 to 4 persons only. If you want an easy viand and a dish, I recommend that you cook fish, specifically this kind of dish which is ginataan, because this is very easy to cook. I added the garlic because I want more spice. I add Siling Labuyo or red pepper. Make sure mga katami that you already wash your hands when doing this preparation. I'm putting the second extract of the coconut milk. Then let's add the pepper. And let's add salt. A little bit of brown sugar to balance the taste. You have options of putting the kind of vegetables that you want. Others put here eggplant. Now I'm adding malunggay leaves for this kind of ginataan. You can also add sitaw if you want. Let's arrange and make sure that the vegetables are at the bottom and the fish is at the top, so that it would not be overcooked when we put the pan at the stove. Then you let them simmer, and now it's boiling. When you see that it is boiling, you can now put the first extract of coconut milk. You can actually see the difference between the first and the second extract of coconut milk, because the first extract is a little bit thick and whiter than the second extract. Now I add pechay. As I said earlier, the option of putting the kind of vegetable that you want is up to you. You can add eggplant, you can add sitaw or green beans. If you have the budget, then you can add them all, you know. What I'm teaching to you is a bit economical ingredient, because there are only limited vegetable. As you know, price of vegetable is getting higher here in the Philippines, but I don't know in other places. But in our place, especially along Luzon, really the price of vegetables are getting high. Allow it to simmer. No, I actually arranged the fish. I put them on top of the vegetable to prevent it from overcook. Now what I added is calamansi extract. You can also use suka or vinegar. Now I'm adding the chili. As always, I'm mentioning that adding chili is optional. Depends upon you if you wanted more spice at your viand. My preference are spicy food. That's why aside from Siling Labuyo or red pepper, I added chili sauce. Allow all the ingredients to be cooked, including the fish and leaves, and observe for the thickness of the sauce. Once it thickens, that means that ginataan is already cooked. To add more flavor to this dish, it is an option if you wanted to add shrimp paste or the fermented shrimp sauce, otherwise known as Alamang in Tagalog. Here is the final product of Ginataang Tulingan. Again, I would like to thank you for watching my new video, and for you to be updated, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and notification so that you will always be updated. Thank you!